Hello, this is Jane Encarnado, your Amazon seller virtual assistant. And in this video, I'll show you how I source suppliers on Alibaba. Before starting, it's very important to make the right preparations. First, I gathered all product specifications such as the material, color, weight, size, shape, design, packaging, and the sample images to clearly show the supplier what I want. The next thing I prepared is my request for quotation. It is an essential part of the supplier sourcing as it includes details about the product sample price and the production time. And in my RFQ, I asked about the sample cost, shipping fees, expected delivery time, and whether the sample price can be deducted from the first order once confirmed. For product pricing, I compare different terms from EXW or the experts, FOB free on board, the DDP or the delivered duty paid. I requested quotations here for 500 and 1,000 pieces under each pricing term. And knowing the production time is also very important to ensure timely delivery. After completing the preparations, I started searching for suppliers on Alibaba using two methods. The first one is the keyword search, and the second one is the image search. Here are some important checkpoints to remember. First, verify if the suppliers are verified accounts or has verified accounts. Check if they are manufacturers, not just trading. And make sure you have trade assurance to safeguard your transaction. Always save the links of the supplier's website and product listings because they will be useful later for the comparison. Once I found potential suppliers, I started messaging them. So I started messaging them and reached out to multiple relevant suppliers using four simple steps. First, greet, introduce, inquire, and inform. So basically, after greeting them, I introduced myself and my company. Then I expressed my interest in their product and sent my specifications. When they replied, I confirmed whether they could produce the item and then requested a full quotation with all the details. Next, I gathered, organized, and analyzed the supplier responses. I selected the five most responsive and informative suppliers and included their information in a spreadsheet. I also collected each supplier's company, the details to help me ranking them. From there, I identified my primary and secondary suppliers based on their pricing, communication, and of course their reliability. Then now I will compute the profit margin using the AXW, FOB, and the DTP prices. These are the reasons why I choose a primary supplier: their balance of price, communication quality, and trustworthiness. To summarize, here are the key steps in supplier sourcing. Prepare your questions and product details. Communicate effectively with suppliers. Analyze and organize the data. Choose wisely and reasonably. That's all. Thank you for being here. Looking forward to work with you.